Hello friends. Welcome to Current Affairs Review. Topic for today's video is India's semiconductor pursuit. In 2001, Asia-Pacific region has surpassed America to become the world's largest region of semiconductor sales. India's semiconductor industry, which includes VLSI design and embedded software development, was valued $6.5 billion in 2009, and it was expected to grow. According to a survey by Semiconductor Industry Association, chips created using advanced methods are made in Asia. Presently, the escalating COVID-19 instances in supplier countries caused disruption in semiconductor supply chain. Furthermore, low margins in the fabrication of substrates, which transfer user instructions to a computer's chip, have led to underinvestment, exacerbating global chip scarcity. Hence, shortage of semiconductors has spread across India, and small players are feeling the pinch as slow manufacturing affecting their business and income. In late 1960s, semiconductor industry began in India, when discrete semiconductor device R&D and manufacture in germanium and silicon technologies was established. Prior to 1995, saw the beginning of semiconductor design in India with the establishment of state-run companies as well as MNCs that were looking to test Indian waters. Subsequently, rapid expansion in IT industry during 1995 to 2000 has built an ecosystem attracting a growing number of domestic and international businesses. The years 2000 to 2005 saw the fastest expansion of semiconductor design in India, where strong government support and academic institutions boosted the pace. As indigenous manufacturing hub, India has limited foothold in the semiconductor industry, which is primarily used for strategic purposes. The semiconductor design sector in India is growing due to rising consumer electric sales, flourishing telecom market. End users today expect a lot from an electronic product in terms of stand-alone functionality, cross-product integration, and connectivity. As market of such devices grows in India, a new trend has emerged where corporations are turning to domestic firms for chip design services. Even the automobile electronics is growing with onboard computer systems that improve safety and the customer experience. Semiconductor design business has made a substantial contribution in driving India's economy. Hence, it has a positive impact on lives of its citizens by actively contributing to numerous socio-economic factors. The national education policy has placed a stronger focus on multidisciplinary approaches, which opens the door to greater collaboration between industry and academia. As a result of their substantial understanding, Indian semiconductor design businesses are experiencing an increase in projects in chip development. Despite the fact that India's cost structures are constantly increasing in absolute terms, the country still has a significant cost advantage over the US, Europe, and Japan. The Indian government and design firms have rigorous IP protection regulations in comparison to other Asian countries. However, insufficient familiarity with foundries and a longer time to market are two challenges that have impeded the growth of the domestic semiconductor design sector. Due to the obvious disparity in expectations between industry and the Indian education system, the talent pool graduating from non-premier institutes has low skill sets. The presence of OEM/ODM firms, strong government support, infrastructure, and uninterruptible power, the countries stated above have a full and mature ecosystem. As a result, even in design-related tasks, foreign countries are frequently favored over India. Rising insecurity among foreign governments outsourcing activities to India could make attracting employment to India more difficult in the future. The Semiconductor Laboratory in Mohali, the Gallium Arsenide Enabling Technology Center in Hyderabad, and the Society for Integrated Circuit Technology and Applied Research in Bengaluru are the three current facilities in India. In December 2021, the Cabinet approved a program for the development of a sustainable semiconductor with an outlay of 76,000 crore rupees. This was in support of Atmanirbhar Bharat's vision of positioning India as the global hub for electronic system design and manufacturing. The program's goal is to enable firms and consortiums working in silicon semiconductor fabs and design with attractive incentive support. Even India's semiconductor mission would be established to drive long-term plans for the development of a sustainable semiconductors and display ecosystem. Also, the government is said to be in talks with Taiwan to establish a semiconductor manufacturing facility in the country. The semiconductor business is also attracting domestic attention like Vedanta and Tata Group. To ensure India's digital sovereignty, the authorized initiative would promote innovation and strengthen domestic capacities. India possesses everything a semiconductor ecosystem requires: talent, infrastructure, design firms, and a research environment. As a result, the road to India's success as a global semiconductor chip manufacturing hub appears to be promising and within reach. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.